I'm not hungry because okay, I'm gonna make pussy cream and a manzana if you know what I mean. Hi guys, so I made it safe. Whatever. Hi guys, so made it to the destination safe. I don't know if I want to do your unboxing tonight. Well, it's morning. It's like after 1 in the morning or later on. But yeah, I got here a little while ago though. But you know, I was eating. That's the problem. I had canes, not a lot, a little bit, like 2 chicken and like 5 fries. Yeah, 2 chicken, 5 fries, I think. Anyways, catch up with you guys depending. Laters. I am fresh out the shower, so now I'm gonna try on my outfit, my pajama lingerie, whatever. That's what I'm comfortable in. We're gonna try this on and we're gonna see how this goes, okay? So just stay right there. Okay. Okay guys, so hopefully you guys can see me okay. So this is my little bag, right, with pearls, and then you guys cannot see my shoes, but it has pearls as well. So I was going for like a more, you know, classy bedtime look, like a, what do you call it, a spoil hotel heiress kind of look. Yeah, so I'm gonna accessorize with diamonds, but I should have probably accessorized with pearls so I don't pull anything, but I'll just be extra careful. I think with this I'm gonna wear a white underwear. I don't know, in some white. You can't really see anything, but then I know because there will be pictures, I don't know what it's gonna look like when taking pictures, so I'm gonna get some nipple cover. And of course this is my little throw over. It's like all fluffy and stuff. I don't think I'm gonna wear it with the string though. We'll see how it goes, but I feel like I can rock it without the string. I don't know, we'll see. And then this, I love this guys, like this is perfect. Like, look at it. I love this. Oh, wait, look at the back. You guys see it? It's perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna throw it together. And we're gonna go. See you guys at the event. Good morning guys. I'm up in dress. I'm gonna try to take a couple of pictures for my Instagram for you guys. My shoes is downstairs, so I'll probably do it downstairs, but yeah, let's see. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Okay, see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, it's a big laundry room, so I'm about to go get something to eat. Ooh, it's so bright. Thank you. Oh, the sun. It's a beautiful day, guys. stars. Look at the sky. Did I tell you guys what I'm about to go do? And that's because I'm sober, guys. I need a lotion. Pulled up at Waffle House. Mad social anxiety right now. Like, I don't do good around people, guys. Guys, check the menu first because it was everything was bacon. I cannot do bacon. I don't do pork, so that didn't work out well. So yeah, we know for next time. Now I'm looking up a different spot to see.
Six, 2, 3, 2. Johnny's Chicken and Waffles.
Hello, do you need to make reservations? Or you can walk
No,
in?
it's first come, first serve on the weekend.
Thank you.
Yes, of course.
So that's Johnny's Chicken and Waffles, guys. Probably gonna do them. Let's see. I'm not even hungry, cutie.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave.
It's day 2.